Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video we will try to understand the multiplication command in INVT PLC. How we can take this multiplication command in the software, AutoStation software, and why we use this multiplication command in PLCs. First of all, we will take one input address x0 and next the three ways I will explain you to type the command in the ladder window. First, this one, application instruction. You also can take from CTRL plus 8 and also click it on this one, and also you can take it from here. There is all application comparison, counting, program control, data transmission, integer, calculating instructions. Here you can see when you type it on this one, and after you will type it here, multiplication. Here you can see this is the DEC, division, this is demultiplication, and here is also have multiplication. When you click it this one, after you have to put the source data, an example D0, and next you have to put D, for example 10 you can put, and next you have to be put which is the destination data. This is you can type 20, which is dependent on choice, and click enter. You can see this command is ready. And second way, how can take, you can take the x0, and also this is x0. I will tell you the without any clicking here, only just when you click it here, just type it on the screen LD space x0 or any internal memory which you like to be used, and click enter. After you will be get the x0, and next you can take from the instruction tree. Here you can see this is the integer math section. Here click it on this one, and here you can find this all math commands. Here this is the multiply integer instruction. You can drag and drop it here in the window box, and here you can put the datas, for example D0, and next you can type the D10 for example, and next you can take the destination value here 20 and click enter. So what is this command and why used in the PLC programmings? An example, you are using an analog signal and like to write the value from the HMI to your VFD, and VFD real value you like to be typed the yani 10 Hertz, 20 Hertz, 30 Hertz, 50 Hertz up to, but 50 Hertz equal with 10,000 like bits inside the VFD. So how you can type the direct 10,000 from the HMI will be little not readable. So you have to be use the multiplication command to type the 10 value into your VFD for the 10,000. So what formula we can use? This is the D0, and this command we will be just download into the PLC and click OK. Again click OK, and formula also we will be make for the 10,000 bits to equal with 50. Very simple. Calculator we can take it here, and you can take the calculator, and for an example this is 50 cycle equals with 10,000 bits. So 50 multiply 150, how much is answer? Is 7,500 bits. So we have to be more increase 50 multiply by 185 for example. So how much? 9,250 value. Look like yani this is your 185 bits are equal with 1 bit, because of total bits of the 10 volts you are 9250 like yani 10,000. So one more we will be check, no problem. 50 multiply 90 how much? This is 4500. Sorry, this is 50 cycle multiply by 190. 190 how much? 9500. And I think so 150, sorry, 50 cycles multiply by 195, 9750. So 200 how much comes? Let's check. 50 multiply 200 is your 10,000, right? And you need to run a VFD at the full speed 10,000. So you have to be type the value it here. This we will be type it here, this value formula at the D10 200 and click enter, and we have to be write the value at the D0. So this is our D0. Here we will type for example 10 Hertz and click enter, again click OK, and as you will be press the X0, this 10 Hertz converts into the 2000. You can see. Now an example, we need to be run this VFD at the full speed. For example, we will type it here 50 cycle and click OK, and as you give the signal at X0, you will be see this value automatically multiply and answer gives you into the D20, and there is a 10,000 ready, means your VFD is running at the full speed. And this D0 you have to be take at the HMI and you can put the value at D0. So this is your look like multiplication command. So hope guys you will be understand about the multiplication command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.